As a homeowner in Houston, you know that the city's unique climate and dynamic real estate market require smart, long-term investments to ensure the comfort, safety, and value of your home. One of the most impactful yet often overlooked upgrades you can make is replacing your doors. Whether it's your front door, patio door, or interior doors, investing in high-quality door replacements can yield substantial benefits. Let's take a closer look at why door replacement is a smart investment for Houston homeowners. Enhanced energy efficiency. Houston is known for its hot, humid summers and mild winters. During the summer months, air conditioning becomes essential for comfort, and during the cooler months, heating systems are necessary to stay warm. Older doors can allow air to leak through, making your HVAC system work harder and leading to higher energy bills. By replacing old or inefficient doors with modern, energy-efficient models, you can significantly reduce air leakage and improve insulation. Many new doors feature advanced materials, such as insulated cores, weather stripping, and low emissivity, low-E, glass that minimize heat transfer, keeping the interior temperature more consistent. This can lead to a noticeable reduction in energy consumption and monthly utility costs, which quickly makes door replacement a worthwhile investment. Boost curb appeal and home value. The front door is the focal point of your home's exterior. It's the first thing visitors, guests, and potential buyers notice. If your front door is outdated, worn, or lacks style, it could be turning away interest. Replacing your front door is one of the most effective ways to boost curb appeal, instantly elevating the look of your home. Moreover, an attractive, modern door can add to your home's overall value. Potential buyers often appreciate the aesthetic appeal of a well-maintained exterior, and a stylish, sturdy front door can be a major selling point. Whether you're looking to sell soon or simply want to enhance your home's value for the long term, a door replacement can provide a solid return on investment, ROI. Improved security and safety. Old doors can be a security risk. With outdated locks, hinges, or materials, they are more vulnerable to break-ins or other security threats. In Houston, where storm risks can also be a concern, doors need to be sturdy and durable. Upgrading to a newer, high-quality door enhances the security of your home. Modern doors are built with reinforced materials, advanced locking systems, and stronger frames, providing peace of mind that your home is protected from intruders and extreme weather events. Additionally, storm doors are an essential investment for Houston homeowners, especially when hurricanes and severe storms can lead to significant damage. A storm door provides an extra layer of protection against strong winds, debris, and water, minimizing the risk of damage to your home. Noise reduction. Houston is a bustling metropolitan area, and many homeowners live near busy streets, schools, or businesses. External noise can infiltrate your home, disrupting your peace and quiet. Replacing old doors with newer, more solid designs can help reduce the amount of noise that enters your home. Modern doors are designed to provide better sound insulation, keeping your indoor spaces quieter and more serene. If you live in a high-traffic area, this can significantly improve your home's comfort. Low maintenance and durability. Older doors often require regular maintenance and repairs, whether it's repainting, restaining, or fixing warped frames. These repairs can become a burden, costing both time and money. Newer doors, however, are designed to be low maintenance, requiring little more than occasional cleaning to keep them looking their best. Many doors come with factory finishes that resist fading, chipping, or peeling, saving you from the hassle of frequent touch-ups. Additionally, new materials such as fiberglass or steel doors are highly durable and resistant to the elements, especially Houston's high humidity and fluctuating temperatures. This durability ensures that your doors will withstand the test of time without the need for costly repairs or replacements. Increased comfort and functionality. Beyond aesthetics and energy savings, door replacement improves the overall functionality of your home. New doors are easier to open and close, more secure, and better insulated against the weather. For example, if you replace an outdated patio door with a sliding glass door or French doors, you not only enhance the style of your home but also make it easier to move between indoor and outdoor living spaces. A smooth operating door can also improve airflow, helping to regulate the temperature inside your home naturally. Conclusion. For Houston homeowners, replacing doors is an investment that pays off in many ways. From increased energy efficiency and enhanced curb appeal to improved security, noise reduction, and low-maintenance durability, new doors can make your home more comfortable, stylish, and valuable. Whether you're preparing to sell your home or simply want to improve your living space, door replacement is a smart and worthwhile investment that will serve you well for years to come.